Swaminarayan students, hope you are all doing good. And today's thought for the day is, yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, today is gift. That's why we call it as present. That means yesterday is history. That means it is happened that we can't change. And tomorrow is mystery. That means it is like a secret. We don't know what is going to happen. Understand? And today it's in our hand and that we have to utilize it properly. And that's why we are calling it as present. Present means it's a gift us. It's a gift for us. Okay, students. So with this positive thought, let's start our class today. Class student, we had completed with the lubricants. That means we had learned about the how to reduce the friction. In that one topic we had learned about, that is lubricant. That lubricants are spreaded or used to reduce the friction between two bodies. Understand, students? And now we are continuing with the same topic, how wheels are using to reduce the friction. Wheels, they roll over the other, one body roll over the other body is called as rolling friction. Understand, students? There also friction reduced by using the wheels. Understand? And next is sliding friction, just incline, that already I said. And next thing I had said is that that is descending order of the friction. Normal static friction means the body is not moving, that is less, the friction is greater than the sliding friction. There the sliding friction is greater than the rolling friction. That is the decreasing order of friction. And increasing order, how it will come? Increasing order will come like rolling friction. Rolling friction has less friction force, and sliding has somewhat more than. And this static is increasing order, that is ascending order of the friction. Understand, student? Now let's move on to the next topic, that is fluid. Normally, what is fluid? Fluid means, when we hear the word fluid, we will say that water. Whether water only exit in fluid? No. Water and gas, both the things are included in the fluid. Means water and air. Water, air, both are included in the name fluid. They are commonly called as fluid. The friction exerted between the water or air. Water, if water is there, ship is there. The friction between the water and the ship, that friction is called as frictional force. Friction. Understand, students? So same like that. If airplane is there, air. In between the airplane and air, there will be a friction. Understand, students? That we are going to learn about the fluid. Fluid, two things are there. One is air, another one is water. Understand, students? Next, the term you have to know is drag. Drag means the friction exerted between the fluid by the body. The force exerted by the body between the body and the fluid is called as drag. That means pulling. Drag means kishkijana. Understand? And next you have to know about is streamlined shape. Streamlined shape means this is a special special shape that helps to move inside the fluid. Inside the fluid, makes it convenient. For example, in the streamlined shape, you can see that anterior part and the posterior part are small. Middle part is broader. If you take ship also, boat also, in boat you can see that boat is this shape. Why? Because that helps to pierce. Pierce means cut the fluid and can move smoothly. Understand? Aeroplane shape, you can see that the middle part is broader and the anterior part means front part and the back part is smaller than the middle part. Why? So that they can move conveniently. Understand, students? And the friction exerted in the fluid, that means the friction between the fluid and this body is called as drag. Understand? Fluid means water and air, both the things will come. Understand, sir? This is all about the fluid friction. That means fluid friction. Fluid friction means air and gas will come, and how the body is made. Even fish is having the streamlined shape so that they can move very fastly in the water. Understand, students? And here comes the end of this chapter. What are the things we had studied? We had learned what is friction. We had learned the types of friction. We had learned useful and how to increase and reduce friction. Understand, students? Go through this chapter, read a textbook, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact me. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.